welcome to the Chainsaw Channel. So in this episode we are going to go over a basic $50 saddle and a very comfortable high-tech $600 saddle. And the differences, we'll talk about the bridge, and obviously now you know the cost. So let me get this $50 saddle on first and we will go over this. And for anybody that is have watched the Petzl ZIGZAG review, this will be the first time I'm using it. So I'm going to do the Petzl ZIGZAG review with the saddle review as well. So alright, let me get saddled up and we will check them out. So I have this Notch Double D 4D ring saddle, very basic. You have two Ds on the side for spurring or a lanyard, and then you have your two middle Ds. So some of the big differences between this saddle and the Shuffleberger that I'm going to put on, the Tree Motion, is comfortability and this bridge. And as well, on the back you have a single seat. So this seat on the back covers the whole back side, like both of your legs. And one of the things you'll notice is with that one seat coming around and going around both of your legs is that you have very limited movement, especially with these. So let's get clipped in here. So as you can tell, the first thing you'll notice is my legs are sort of sucked together, and I can sort of do a little bit of movement, but it's nothing like crazy. So I want to do a reach test. I'm not quite sure if you'll see this on camera, but when I turn, I can reach about maybe 5-6 feet from my line. So let's throw on the Shuffleberger, and it'll be the first time I'm wearing it. Also, for the record, this Petzl ZIGZAG should not be used on an SRT, a single line, without the rope wrench attachment. I'm just doing this for the sake of the video. Okay, so I have the Tree Motion on, and right off the bat, it's far more comfortable than the Notch, the 4D, and this one is a little bit different. So the clips are a lot different. That one didn't have any clips. It was just you slide it on and you tighten the belt. This one has 1, 2, 3 clips, and these are like high quality, like very serious clips. These will not come loose on you, and if they do, send your harness back. So these are high quality clips, and this has the main difference with this is a moving bridge. This will give you far more maneuverability, motion in the tree motion, and it also has 2 lanyard clips on your legs and 2 lanyard clips on the actual belt on your side. And another big thing is on the back. As you can see, this has 2 independent leg cradles, sort of. So let me get clipped in here and we're going to see how it feels. And by the way, I've only sat in the ZIGZAG once and I'm loving it. Just sitting in this already, I can tell I have full, let me slow down here. I have full maneuverability, right? I can reach, ooh, see? Gotta get used to it. I'm so used to that other saddle, but this is just awesome. Yeah, this is great. Very comfortable, very nice to sit in, to maneuver in. Like I can move my legs. I can do a full one of these, go right back. Woo. like, you can't do that with a $50 saddle. And this one is just amazing. So anyway, I hope you liked the video, and tune in next time for some other chainsaw arborist related videos.